Hi, ACES is built around two strong belief systems. One, of being the best service provider, and two, of being a people-oriented company. No wonder almost 40% of our employees have been with us for more than 10 years. This speaks volumes about growth and learning opportunities provided to each member of the team. In addition to giving product and technical trainings, we also develop domain experts by giving exposure on life sites and projects.
At ACES, our teams form a balanced mix of skill and experience. It includes application developers, technology and business consultants, customer service executives, graphic designers, and content writers.
Employees are motivated to upgrade their technical knowledge and communication skill through learning, sharing, and being quality conscious.
As we work in a knowledge-based industry, lots of extra readings on technology, trends, and industry news is appreciated. We also conduct weekly remote sessions where all domain experts interact and share their experiences, challenges, and solutions given at the client site.
We believe that the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Fun-based building exercises, birthday celebrations, potluck lunches, and all festivals are celebrated with loads of enthusiasm and active participation of all employees. Transparency, open environment, and strong values lay the foundation of long-lasting relationships that binds us all together.
ACES has been working in the Indian market since 1991 with focus on building customer-facing applications like the customer relationship management, e-commerce solutions, sales extranets, customer communication management system, and dealership management systems. The founder director of ACES, Mr. Sandeep Mamgen, is amongst the pioneers who ushered the computer era in India. ACES is the first company in India to use internet as a platform for insurance marketing. It is also the pioneer of dealership management system for the auto dealerships in India. Over the last 2 decades, ACES has been through challenging growth path. It has stood the test of time and maintained its focus on developing its IPs under the brand name Infomen. More than 11,000 users working at dealerships of Maruti Suzuki, Toyota, Mahindra, Hyundai, Tata, Honda, Chevrolet, BMW, Mercedes, Audi are using ACES applications across India. The Infomen Serve is the latest and a versatile application for work log, work plan, project management, asset management, and incident management needs. Over the period, ACES has spread its business in office automation, insurance, publication industry, and corporate ERP to have a favorable industry spectrum. ACES is invested in its people and principles. A zero-debt company, ACES stands like a rock of Gibraltar amongst its peers in the industry, unique and iconic.